2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This works with the 18 also. Today we're going to reset the inspection due and the oil change, okay? This is really simple, and you have to go really fast when you're going to do the procedure, so you might have to watch this twice, but we're never going to start the car. It has the push button start, okay? You're going to need that, and we're going to use the 00, okay? So the first step is going to be to turn the hazards on. This is the key to everything, is turning the hazards on. So this is how it's going to go. Okay, you ready? It's going to be really fast. Press and hold down. Hit the button. It's going to ask me what I want to reset. I'm going to let go. I'm going to hit the button again. Okay, and it's going to tell me it's reset. That's how you do the service. Okay, so simple. Okay, as far as the oil change goes, you're going to have to do it all over again. I got everything off. I actually turned the hazards off. All you have to do is press and hold down the 00, hit the engine start, foot off the brake. It's going to ask me if I want to reset it. I'm going to let go and hit the button, and it's going to reset the oil life. All right, guys. Well, if the video was useful, hit that thumbs up button. Thank you very much.